My biggest struggle ever as a designer was to design my personal portfolio, and I believe that many designers out there share this feeling. But nowadays with AI it's so much easier. All you have to do is take some screenshots from websites you like, then bring them inside MagicPad, use some prompts, and boom, you have a website. Now that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to design your personal portfolio inside MagicPad. So let's get started. So I'm inside MagicPad and I would like to design a portfolio that has a split layout design. And for this I'm gonna use the Framer Marketplace, which is a great source of inspiration. And here you can find a lot of templates for designers. And this one right here, created by Justin Ferrugia, it has a great layout. So this is a split layout design, guys. As you can see, on the left side you have a fixed content, and on the right side you have this projects which are scrollable. So next I'm gonna take a screenshot of this website and press Ctrl C now, go to MagicPad, double click on the canvas or click on this green button to create a new chat, and now paste inside the chat this screenshot, and let's ask MagicPad to create portfolio website that has or that uses a split layout design. The left side should be fixed and the right side should be scrollable. The same, use the screenshot as inspiration and press enter. Now, as you can see, I didn't ask MagicPad to design the same layout that we have inside the screenshot. I just mentioned to use the screenshot as inspiration. That is because you don't want to copy others people's work. You don't want to steal others people's work, to get in trouble later. So yeah, now let's wait for MagicPad and see you in a bit. Here we go, the first design is ready. Now I'm gonna click on this icon to open it in a new tab. My first impression is that I like the design, but what I don't like is the fact that the design is not divided by two. But as you can see, we can scroll down these projects. That is great. I'm gonna go back to MagicPad and I'm gonna ask MagicPad to make sure you divide the layout by two, so basically 50% per column. Press enter and let's wait once again and see you in a bit. Okay, now let's refresh this and nice, now we have a 50% layout. That is great. Next, what I'm gonna do is go back to MagicPad, click on this edit component icon, and actually let me make this wider. And so let's select the text. I don't like this text, so I'm gonna type something else, web design and development. Now let's change the font to Inter. Also, let's make sure that we have a medium font, and then let's make it maybe smaller, like 48 is gonna be better. I'm gonna decrease the line height to normal 1. And what else should I do? I believe that is it for the text. And then let's save this one. Let's refresh it inside here, and now it looks much better. What else should we do? I believe I'm gonna change this color to something else. So let's select the layout and make this black as well, or let's select this color right here. Okay, so let me actually expand the height of the viewport. I'm gonna save this actually, and I'm gonna ask MagicPad to change the radius to 0. So change the card's radius to 0. So now it looks so much better. However, we still want to change a few things. For example, this card right here, it's not useful. We don't want to have it. I'm gonna click on edit and then I'm gonna press delete. So I'm gonna do this right here as well. It's much better without them. Also, I'm gonna actually change the images as well. So I'm gonna upload my own images. Nice. Let's do the same for this one right here. I'm gonna just use my thumbnails. Okay, I don't need to remember. Yeah, this one. And maybe this one as well. Okay, let's click on save. Let me refresh it right here. And look at this, guys. We have a beautiful portfolio website and we are still not finished, but so far I really like it. However, there is one small issue and I understand why it's like this, but I don't want it. So when we refresh the screen, we don't see the next project. We only see this one. This is because this looks like a normal hero, but I want actually to have this project right here. So I'm gonna go back to MagicPath, click on the chat and say, right now when I refresh the screen, I only see one project. And then when I scroll down, the next projects appear. So make sure that you use opacity 100% for all projects. Press enter and let's hope that it understands what I'm saying. And yeah, see you again in a bit. So let's take a look right now. And voila, now all the projects are visible from the start. So as you can see, the design looks very good. We can basically start building this project inside Framer if you want to. You can even bring it inside Figma, but right now this feature is not available. I believe later is gonna be available. Now let's say you don't want to use this for your project, but you would like to sell this template because let's be honest, this looks very good. So with MagicPath it is possible. All you have to do is go back to MagicPath, click on these three dots and then add to library. I have a library already, or you can create a new one. Let's say templates and then click on this button. Now go back to libraries and here we have our templates library. Now if you click on this drop down icon, go back to files, click on these three dots, click on share, and here you can click on this toggle icon and then you can uncheck this publish to community if you have a premium account. If you don't, it's not a problem. You can click on this copy link and you can share this on your social media accounts, or you can share it as a product inside Gumroad, and this way you can make some money. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. You can find this project in the description below and I see you in the next video.